UNdunankulu waseGauteng uDavid Makhura usemkhombe indlela owengamele ezempilo eGauteng uBandile Masuku. Lokhu kulandela izinsolo abekwa zona ezithinta ukuthengwa kwezimpahla zokuzivikela esifweni COVID-19 kulesifundazwe. uMakhura uthe njengoba kunenye ingxenye yophenyo esaqhubeka angeke aqashe ngokugcwele owengamele ezempilo kulesifundazwe kuze kuphothulwe uphenyo. Uma seliphothuliwe watholakala emsulwa uMasuku uzobuyeke aphinda amqoke futhi esikhundleni sakhe.
As the head of the provincial government, based on the SIU report, that I must act on. And it is on that basis that I have decided to discharge MEC Masuku as the MEC responsible for health in our province. Taking into account that there's the part of the SIU report that is still outstanding. They've given me one part of the report, and they've said they are still completing the investigation on acts of corruption or collusion. I will not fill this vacancy for the MEC for Health until they have submitted the final report. So MEC Mamabulo will continue as the acting MEC for Health until I have received the final report of the SIU as it pertains to those issues about the acts of collusion and corruption, which they say is an investigation that is ongoing.